Alright, y'all, we back. Taking off our front bolt to our cross member. We're gonna loosen the 3 over there and the 2 down there. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got one more somewhere over here. No, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, there's one more over there though. We're gonna go ahead and take this one out, y'all. It ain't that bad once you know what you're doing, you know. They say you gotta take a whole engine apart, but that's only if you want to. I did disconnect some of the sensors and stuff, but alright, so let me put this on pause for a minute. Alright, y'all, we got our front bolts. I always want to start with that bottom bolt, though, y'all. Always start with that bottom bolt. It's going to come out. But you just want to always start with the long. See if my ratchet wrench will fit. Like it'll fit. Yeah, 13 ratchet wrench, y'all. Stubby for the back. Really kind of stubby for the front, but they're gonna make it with this one because you got more room. Alright, y'all, we almost there. Loosen these bolts. Take this last 13 out right here. 10. 13. Y'all know what I mean. 13. Just pump out. Make sure you always leave room so the ratchet don't get stuck back down here. And it's in the ratcheting mode, so you can't be in trouble. Y'all, we almost there. Almost there. We're gonna back it off with the rest with the ratchet and the box in it. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna pause this while I finish getting this out. Get the top one out. Alright, y'all. Now we can take this box in, just kind of get this loose a little bit since it was tight. There's a little room down here to work. So we just gonna utilize the little room we got to get it loose. Yeah, we'll be able to get something else on there to get it out somehow. So yeah, just gonna stroke her out like this, y'all. Might take all day, but you'll have it. Be right back.